Hi everyone, I'm Chef Tony from HomeHeadChef, and today we're making creme brulee. Creme brulee is a classic French dessert consisting of a rich and creamy custard topped with caramelized sugar that is sure to impress anybody with your cooking skills. And today I'm going to show you how to make it, so let's get cooking. For this recipe you're going to need 2 cups of heavy cream, 6 eggs, we're going to take out the yolks because that's what we need, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/3 cup of white sugar, and some brown sugar for the top. I like to make my custard less sweet, and I like to top it with the burnt brown sugar because I think it adds another depth and richness to it. Alright, before we get started, let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and while that's warming up, we're going to prepare the custard. Alright, we're going to separate our yolks from the white. I prefer to use my hand. Everybody has their own way of doing it. If you like doing the shell, toss them back and forth, go ahead. I find it's easier if you just use your hand. Just let the white drip down in between your fingers. Give it a little pinch. Perfect. Just like that. Now you can discard the whites, throw them away, you can save them for an omelet. Our yolks are separated, we're going to want to mix these up a little bit. A little bit of our sugar. Get some of that dissolved. Now we're going to start transferring everything into the cream. The rest of the sugar, the vanilla, and in with our eggs. Gonna want to get this all mixed in and incorporated very well. Make sure you get all that out of there. Alright, perfect, just like that. Alright, the oven is nice and preheated. Our custard mix is made up. We have our baking dish. We're going to want to fill it up with some very hot water. Be careful so you don't burn yourself. Now we're going to go in with our ramekin dishes. I'm going to fill it up about 1/4 of the way. Perfect. Just like so. Now we're going to fill these up with the custard. Make sure the custard's all mixed up. Let's go straight into the ramekins. Just like so. And I'm short 1 ramekin, so we're gonna really fill these things up. Perfect. And now we're going to go into the 350 degree oven. We're going to check back on it in about 30 minutes. We want the sides to be set, but the center to be a little bit jiggly. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. They're not quite done. I'm going to go about another 10 minutes or so. Alright, now ours took about 34 minutes. We want it to look just like that. We want the edges to be set and the inside to be the center to be slightly jiggly. Now we're going to pull them out of the water bath. We're going to allow them to cool down at room temp. Be very careful doing this. We're going to want them to cool down at room temp for an hour, and then we're going to go into the fridge for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours until the custard is fully set and cool to the touch. The creme brulees have been cooling on the counter for about 1.5 hours. We're going to go into the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours. Overnight is best, and then we're going to brulee the top. Set, we're going to brulee it. Nice little sprinkling of brown sugar. Now if you don't have a torch, you can just throw it in your boiler on high. Just like that. Just want to caramelize that sugar. Make that nice crispy crust that we love. Keep the torch moving around because you don't want to burn it. Alright, isn't that beautiful? Let's see if we can hear it. That's the sound you want to hear. Now let's pan out and get a taste of this thing we've been waiting all day. Alright, let's get a taste of the creme brulee. Oh, it's so perfect. Look. It's so rich and so decadent. It's creamy. The crust on top adds a nice texture difference to it. It's absolutely amazing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Forgot what I was saying because this is so good. You know what to do.